If you're experiencing issues with Valorant's graphics settings, this guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your settings for better performance. Follow these steps to resolve common graphics problems. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Open Valorant and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to access the settings. From there, select the video tab to view and adjust your graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the video settings, check the resolution option. Ensure it matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If you're experiencing lag, consider lowering the resolution slightly to improve performance. Step 3. Set graphics quality. Under the graphics quality section, you can adjust the quality of different elements such as texture quality, detail quality, and effects quality. Lower these settings if you're facing performance issues, or increase them if your system can handle it. Step 4. Enable/disable VSync. Look for the VSync option in the video settings. If you're experiencing screen tearing, enable VSync. If you want to reduce input lag, disable it. Experiment with this setting to see what works best for you. Step 5. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can significantly improve game performance and fix graphical issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any graphics settings issues in Valorant and enhance your gaming experience. Happy gaming!